Typically, you can encounter the Epson Error Code 0x60 or 60H when the printer has problem to a paper sensor. This sensor is called PW sensor. PW means page width. This sensor checks the measure, the width of the sheet to be printed, and, if dirty, can send wrong message to the main board, causing a paper jam error. You can find the sensor under the ink cartridge holder or in the right of the cartridge holder. In the XP printers, it's often on the side of the machine. This transparent wheel is connected with the paper feed mechanism, and when the paper is moving through the paper path, this wheel rotates, activating the sensor. If the sensor or the wheel are dirty, you have the error message. Clean the sensor and the wheel with a cotton pad and alcohol. Check the connection with the main board. Check for pieces of paper or tiny objects under the cartridge holder. Clean this transparent mylar strip. Another cause for this error is the CR motor, the carrier motor. This motor moves the timing belt. This belt keeps the ink cartridge's holder moving back and forth. The cause of this error could be a deformation of the mainframe too, or could be a mainboard problem. Check all the connections of the mainboard. This error code is a mechanical problem into the printer. It has nothing to do with the computer. However, the first step when you have an error code, every type of error code, is to remove the electrical cable, wait 5 minutes, then reconnect the cable and check if the error has disappeared.